So you go by, you were always so close, still within reach. Sarah, Sarah, whatever made you change your mind. Sarah, Sarah, so easy to look, so hard to I can still see them playing with the pants in the sand. They run to the waters like the ghost of fear. I can still see the shells falling out of their hands as they follow each other back up the hill. Sarah, Sarah, sweet virgin angel, sweet love of my life. Sarah, Sarah, radiant jewel, mystical wife. Sleeping in the woods by your fire in the night, drinking white rum in a Portugal bar. Then playing leapfrog and hearing about Snow White. You in the marketplace in Savannah. Sarah, Sarah, it's all so clear I could never forget. Sarah, Sarah, loving you is one thing I'll never regret. I can still hear the sounds of those Methodist bells. I'd taken the cure and I'd just gotten through. Staying up for days in the Chelsea Hotel, right side a lady of her romance for you. Sarah, Sarah, wherever we travel, we're never apart. Sarah, Sarah, beautiful lady, so deep to my heart. How did I meet you? I don't know. A messenger sent me in a tropical storm. You were there in the winter, moonlight on the snow, and on Lily Pond Lane when the weather was warm. Sarah, Sarah, Scorpio's fins in a popsicle dress. Sarah, Sarah, you must forgive me my unworthiness. Now the beach is deserted except from some cow and a piece of an ocean that lies on the shore. You always responded